9 signs someone is spying on your phone and how to stop it. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. And now let us discuss a few signs that someone might be spying on your phone. If your iPhone gets hot when not in use, then this could mean an app is running in the background and is also normal during updates or gaming. Also, if your iPhone battery drains very fast, then it could be because spy or tracking apps run constantly, so check battery uses for this. Also, if you have an unknown apps installed on your iPhone, then it could be that someone is spying on your phone. And if your iPhone uses too much data, then it could be that tracking apps send data regularly, so check your mobile data uses. Also, if your iPhone enables green or orange dot without you using your camera or mic, then it could be that some app is accessing it. And if strange pop ups or redirects are coming from another websites or unsafe or malicious apps, then it could be that someone has been tracking your phone. Also, if your phone is very slow and lagging, then it could be that constant background activity causing the issue. Also, if you have changed settings for permissions, VPNs, or profiles you didn't add, then someone might be tracking your phone. So, in order to fix this, first things first, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on Privacy and Security. Further, go ahead and review connections such as camera, location, and microphone, and remove access from apps that you do not trust. Next, in Settings again, tap on General and then on VPN and Device Management and delete anything that you did not install on your iPhone. Next, in Settings again, tap on Privacy and Security and then on App Privacy Report. See which apps accessed camera, mic, or location, and you can review it from there. Further, you can try to update your iOS. So in Settings again, tap on General and then on Software Update. Go ahead and update your iPhone to its latest version as updates patch security holes. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.